department in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share the content. So in this video, I will show you the goniometry of the forearm supination and the pronation. So first, I will show you the forearm supination. So elbow pronation occur in the transverse plane and the normal range of motion of forearm pronation is 75 to 85 degree. So for forearm pronation, the patient should be in the seated position with elbow flexed 90 degree and the forearm in the mid-prone position. So before checking goniometry of the forearm pronation, first we check the passive range of motion of the forearm pronation. So this is the passive range of motion of the forearm pronation. So for the forearm pronation goniometry alignment, the fulcrum will be at the proximal to the ulnar styloid process and the fixed arm will be to the parallel to the midline of the anterior midline of the humerus, and the movable arm will be the dorsal forearm to the lateral to the styloid process. Now ask the patient to the forearm pronation. So this is the goniometry of the forearm pronation. Now I will show you the forearm supination goniometry. So forearm supination goniometry, the patient should be in the seated position, elbow should be flexed and the forearm will be in the mid-prone position. So before checking the forearm goniometry, first I will check the passive range of motion of the forearm supination. First I will stabilize the arm, then check the passive range of motion of the forearm supination. So this is the passive range of motion of the forearm supination. So for forearm supination, the goniometry alignment will be, fulcrum will be placed on the proximal and medial to the ulnar styloid process and fixed arm will be parallel to the midline of the humerus. Movable arm will be at the ventral surface of the forearm proximal to the styloid process. Now ask the patient to do the forearm supination. So this is the goniometry of the forearm supination.